Hello my friends, welcome back to Crosstourertony. And today I just want to show you how to remove these two side panels to get into some of the electronics behind here. There is a cigarette lighter that I want to change into a double USB, so I'm going to remove these and show you how to do it right now. Well, welcome to Saint-Tropez. As you can probably see somewhere there, that's the famous Saint-Tropez clock tower. It's nice and sunny. We're in mid-December, still in lockdown, so I've had this new second-hand, if you want to call it, Crosstourer with me now for 2 months, and it hasn't turned a wheel because of lockdown. And as many of you know, I lost the red rocket in a garage fire. The garage is just down below there. You'll see a video here of me talking about the garage fire. And well, I've got this one. I'm going to call this one the Phoenix Flyer. It's not a rocket and it's not red all over, so let's call it the Phoenix Flyer, shall we guys? Anyway, without further ado, let's get into getting these side panels off, fellas. Stay with me and learn a little bit along with Crosstourertony. Well, first of all, as you can see, these are the poppet clips of Honda. You need to get a very small screwdriver or Allen key and press the center in, and that releases the clip, and then you can just work it out. There's one here, and there's one down the bottom. There's 3 of these little Honda clips to take out first of all, so let's do that first. Okay, once we've removed the 1, 2, 3, the 4, as I said earlier there was 3, no there's 4. There's 2 at the top and 2 behind there. Take out those Honda clips, and then we need to undo this screw, Allen screw there, and another Allen screw here. I've already loosened them up to save a bit of time, so I'll take them out now. And this one has, as you can see, a small plastic washer, so you must keep that one for the top. It goes into there. Okay, once this is all freed up, there are 2 lugs that push in. Well, I've already freed them off, okay, so now we can pull it away slowly from here, and then it has to go forward. So I've freed the lugs up, so free the lugs up, take it off of there, hold the lugs out, and then it goes forward like this, voila, and then we can get it out. Some little wires around the back that we can just oh, there we go guys. That's how you take off that front cowling. Now remember, I said there's some lugs, one here that fits in this hole here, okay, and where's the other one? There's a little one here. I don't know if you can see that, just a little tiny one down the bottom there that lugs in the rubber grommet there. So rubber grommet there and the clip in here, and then the top, this is where your clips come through, and here at the front you will see the little holes that, let's get this round the right way, that's it, let's come around here, this and this slot into there, so that goes clip and then bang when you put it back together. Okay then, so that's how you get the panel off. I've changed my USB socket, I've cut it out and I've put in a new one, one off of Amazon, which will take a double USB. So now I can run a GPS and a telephone or anything else off of a double USB. So I'm going to put it back together now, so if you want to sit back and watch how it goes back together, you're more than welcome. If not, catch you on the next one. still here. Just getting these two little screws in there that holds that in place. That's right. Now then, that's fixed. This is fixed. That's fixed up now, I think. This was clipped onto the back there. So let's get you in there, baby, and get you clipped up into there. Like this. Voila. Voila, so that's clipped in, and I've got to make sure my things all line up. Going in reverse order. These clip in first. So we come here. Make sure these are good. That's it. That's in. They've connected. Now we're going to push in the plugs. So there's one here I can see. Where's he gone? One there. And there was one here somewhere. Anyway. Well, that's it. And now we're all lined up. So we'll put the bottom one in first. Can you hear that car? Must be a guardian like me taking his boss's car for a ride. Get in there. Okay. This one's being done first though. Just bear with me. Nice and tight. Don't forget this one with the plastic washer on the top. So this will go in here. On my fingers. This is all solid. That's all tucked in. That's it. And now our four little clips. Now then, let me get this right. Right, you have to push the head out and then the thing will pop in. And then press the button. See if I can show you on here. Before you put it in, you push the head out, squeeze it into the hole, and then clip it. Simple as that. Find it. There's too much sun around here, isn't there? There it is. Clip. And then two down here. I said at the beginning there was only. Push it out. That's it. Push the pin. Clip, push the pin in the hole and clip. Thanks for watching, fellas. That's how you take the side panel off. Down here was the old cigarette lighter, and now I've fitted a fancy there we go, can we see that? A fancy little WSB thing there with funny lights, and should keep me amused. We're like a Christmas tree now, isn't it? The old red rocket, the Phoenix Flyer. Anyway, thanks for watching, fellas. Bye.